Hi educator, this video is to show you how to use the Eduling Educator Dashboard. The very first step for you is to create an educator account on the app. That is the only way for you to create an account at this time. It is the mobile app that you download to your phone. And after you have that account, you can go to educator.eduling.org and you can sign in with that account. After you sign in, you can create your class by clicking the plus sign here. And you can put information of your class here. I would like to point out that there are 3 ways for you to invite your students to join your class. First, they can join the class by a class code that is similar for all of the students in the class, and you don't need to approve their request. The second option is for them to join by a class code, but you need to approve their requests. And then finally, the third method is for them to join with a class code and an invitation code that you send to them through email. So the first method is the easiest. And after you do that, you can click Save. And let me show you a class that I have here. You can click View, and this is where this is the first page that you enter, and you can make announcements to your students on this page. Now, if you want to add students to your course, you need to upgrade it. So please contact us to get an activation code. So for example, here, I have already activated this course to run until September the 20th for 5 students. And after you upgrade, you can invite students to join your class, and they all have premium access to the app after they join your class. This is where you can find the class code. It is hidden here, but you can show it, or you can copy it and send it to all of the students in your class, or just print it out and give it to students. When you click assignments, you can create assignments for your students, and you can click create here. You can type a search word. So for example, I want them to do something about the topic family. And you can see a lot of search results here, but you need to pay attention to the category because each category is a little bit different. And then you can browse through, and most of these tasks have some preview, but it is played very differently on the phone than in the preview. So I suggest you try it on your phone first. Or you can also decide to choose a category. Then in this case, you can see that there are over 20 categories here, but let's say you want to choose decision making, then you will see the different tasks in the category of decision making here, and you can select one, and then you can assign to all of your students, and then you can put in the title, maybe task 1, and then choose the due date, add some description, and then click create. And after you do that, you should see the task here. And 5 students have been assigned, but nobody has turned in. But later on, when they turn it in, you can see their task completion also. This is also a very important tab here, that you can check the members of your class, the students who have joined your class, and the requests that you have approved or rejected. Another method for you to invite students is through email. So you can also check your email invites to see who has joined and who hasn't joined. Now, because I set up this course to share with the students the class code, so I can click on here and I can copy the code and then send it to them. Or I can still invite them through email. So if I enter their email address here, they will receive 2 codes in their email. One is the class code, that is similar to all students in the class, and the other is the invite code, which is unique to them. And then you can click send, and they will receive it in their email through our system. A really useful way for you to also invite all students is to upload an Excel with like 100 emails, and we will also send emails to their email addresses that you put there, and they will receive a class code and an invite code. The only challenge is that they're going to have to check their email for these two codes, so you can remind them to do so. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.